Good day, everyone. So I'll be talking about some study tips. Okay. First of all, we'll start with what Pomodoro. What is Pomodoro? Pomodoro is actually a pattern or a technique whereby study is being broken down into short blocks. Short blocks, as in you get to be like, instead of studying for a whole 2 hours, you get to study for 25 minutes, and then you get 5 minutes break, and then you come back again in the next 25 minutes, 5 minutes break again. You get it. That way is better than reading a whole 2 hours at once. You get the point, right? And the second one is what? The second one is you read to understand. If you are reading to just cover pages, you might end up not understanding what you're reading. You get the point. So you the main aim now for you to study is what? You get to read to understand what you read. Like once I read I think I finished Idodo Biology in 1 month, and finishing that book, of course I finished it, but was I able to remember everything in the book? I wasn't even able to remember at least 30% of what was in the book. I forgot everything. That's because the aim of reading the book was just to finish um the whole book at once. You get the point. So now the main aim for you to study is what? You study for you to understand. If you understand what you're studying, it will be easy for you to recall. Okay, that's another one. The next one is what? Active recall. When we talk about active recall, what is active recall? You get to test yourself on what you read. For example, you want to learn linear momentum. Before reading linear momentum, what do? You write down things like, what is momentum, what is impulse, what's the formula for impulse, what is the formula for momentum, state the three laws, Newton three laws of motion, the first, the second, and the third law of motion. You get to write those kind of things so that you could remember very fast. That's